Yo, look what I just caught on video, right? Loads of birds eating in my neighbour's garden, right? Like loads of them all at once. And I didn't realise that there were loads on the fence as well. And even more of them just came to the garden. You can kind of see it on the video that they were all lined up on the fence, but I didn't realise when filming it. It was so cute. And then, when they'd all scavenged that garden, I didn't really get this good bit of it. Oh, there's so many more as well. Oh my god, wait, they're so cute. They like hopped on the fence and then went to the next garden. But I think my grass is too long for them to see all the worms and stuff. But obviously it's been raining loads on it. But there's loads. Shut up. I can't wait for my garden to be done so I can put like bird tables and stuff in it. They're so cute. I look like a proper weirdo filming other people's gardens, but I don't care.